Here you have a solid wood grandfather clock made by Hentschel. All our movements are imported directly from the Black Forest in Germany, and our cabinets are made here in Ontario. You have a beautiful triple chime movement, which allows you to have 3 different melodies. Sorry. You have a quarter chime every hour, and then striking the hour depending on what time it is. These clocks also have the full moon phase, which rotates automatically once it's set to a full moon. We have a full moon every 29.5 days, and this will automatically click each day the clock is running. You have an automatic night shut-off, so if you do not wish to hear it at night, it can be turned off as well. Or those who do enjoy the chime all the time, it's also there. This is just one of the styles that we have. If you come around to the other side, we have other styles in the Hentschel grandfather clocks doing the same type. Right now we'll hear Westminster. Oops, sorry, it's on silent. And then again at the quarter hour. And the prices vary depending on the style of the clock, the features that are available in the clock, and the type of wood that is used. All our clocks come with a 3-year warranty and free setup and delivery in the Toronto area.
That's nice.
We're using solid brass weights, pendulum, dials, depending if they're two-tone or just all yellow, they would be brass. They're all treated so they will not tarnish. Here we have a smaller model, still offering Westminster chime. Very competitive price at $2,300 retail, and then when we do give a discount from that price. And has all the same features as a big clock, but just for a smaller place. And again, all our clocks are solid wood. I'll bring you down here a little bit. We literally have hundreds of clocks on display from all over the world. Some battery, some mechanical, which is winding. And the styles, as you can see, range from tabletop, mantle, small, alarm.
What's the brand names? I see Roots.
We carry many brand names. We carry Roots, Bulova, Wittenauer, Hugo Boss, Esquire, Seiko. We carry a lot of one-of-a-kinds because my dad is an extensive traveler. So if you're looking for something unique that no one else would have, and there may only be one particular one of that style, you would find it here as well because they didn't go into our collection.
Do you have an Atmos?
An Atmos clock?
Yeah.
Yes, we do have. As a matter of fact, I can show it to you. We haven't brought it out. We just gave it a complete overhaul, oil and cleaning. But I can show it to you as well. It's a beautiful piece.
I will show that.
I wanted to show you these because these are really fun. These are animated cuckoo clocks. And every hour you have a different animal that comes out. They're great for kids' rooms, great for kitchens if you want a little entertaining. They come in lambs, horses, what's this, a chicken. And they can go on a mantle, or they can be hung from the wall with the pendulum swinging. We sell more to grown-ups than we do to little kids, though.
I see you have pocket watch.
Yes, we have
well.
a very large selection of pocket watches as well. We're also carrying antique pocket watches from my father's collection that he is now selling. There are many different styles available. The old Waltham, Hamiltons. They've all been refurbished, so completely overhauled, oiled, and cleaned and ready for sale.